Hi, friends. Welcome back to your easy and fun English speaking practice. Do you often get confused between will and would? Don't worry. Today, I'll explain the difference in the simplest way with lots of examples and practice. In this video, we will do these four easy steps: simple explanation, real life examples, mini quiz time, speaking practice together. Let's begin and make your English learning super easy. Step 1: Simple explanation. Will. We use will when we talk about something certain to happen in the future or when we make decisions on the spot. Example: I will call you tomorrow. A future plan: she will visit her grandparents next week. A definite future action. Would. We use would in polite requests or when talking about imaginary or hypothetical situations. Example: would you please help me? Polite request: if I had a car, I would drive to the mountains. Hypothetical situation. Tip: will, certain future action. Would, polite request. Or hypothetical, impossible situations and uncertain action. Step 2: real life examples. Examples with will, future plus decision. 1. I will go to the market later. Show plan. 2. He will start a new job next month. Confirm future. 3. We will meet at 6 p.m. Definite future arrangement. Usage tip: use will when something is planned or decided. Examples with would, polite and hypothetical. 1. Would you mind closing the door, please? Polite request. 2. If I were taller, I would play basketball. Imaginary condition. 3. She would visit Paris if she had more money. Unreal situation. Usage. Tip: use would when the situation is not real or to be polite. Step 3: mini quiz time. Let's test your knowledge now. Answer out loud before I show the correct answer. 1. I dash visit my friend tomorrow. Answer: will. Explanation: it's a definite plan for the future. 2. Dash, you like a cup of tea. Answer: would. Explanation: polite offer. 3. If I were rich, I dash buy a private jet. Answer: would. Explanation: hypothetical situation. 4. He dash come to the party next week. Answer: will. Explanation: planned future action. 5. Dash, you mind opening the window? Answer: would. Explanation: polite request. 6. I dash, help you with your homework if I were free. Answer: would. Explanation: hypothetical. 7. They dash arrive at 5 p.m. Answer: will. Explanation: certain future event. 8. Dash, you please pass me the salt? Answer: would. Explanation: polite request. Great job. Keep practicing for even better understanding. Step 4: shadowing practice. Let's repeat together to improve your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. Repeat after me. Practice sentences. I will visit my friend tomorrow. Would you please help me? She will arrive by 6 p.m. If I were you, I would study more. Would you like some coffee? I would travel the world if I had more money. He will call you later today. I would love to visit London someday. Practice these sentences every day to speak English confidently. Fantastic work today. Keep watching this video daily and practicing to make your English perfect and natural. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and useful English lessons. Stay confident, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.